Scene 1. Introduction. Behold the vast expanse of our world, a canvas of deserts, forests, mountains, and rivers. But beyond these physical wonders lies something far greater. The tapestry of time, woven with the threads of ancient wisdom, reminds us that humanity, in all its diverse beauty, shares a deep connection. The vision to truly see, this does not come from the eyes, but from the heart. A calling to the essence of human spirit, a truth carried across generations. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom unveiled. Imagine the voice of Chief Seattle echoing from the past. He warned, "Earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth." This is not just a plea to protect nature, but a proclamation of unity. Our existence, our essence, is part of an intricate web where everything holds its sacred part. Similarly, an Australian Aboriginal elder beckons us to listen. Hear the songs of the land, the wisdom held in every rock and crafted into the constellations above, they say. Here too, vision is knowing that we walk upon the accumulated stories of our ancestors, guiding every footstep. Scene 3. The wisdom of the Quran. History shifts its lens, and now we peer into the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. His words, profound yet simple, direct us to compassion. The most beloved people are those who bring benefit to others. The path illuminated here teaches that love for God's creations, even a blade of grass or an insect, is an act of divine worship. True wisdom sees this, beyond the distractions of hatred or division. Scene 4. Eastern philosophies. Retreat with us to a monastery in the East, where the Buddha teaches under a Bodhi tree. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think, he says, revealing the power within the mind and spirit to perceive beyond the tangible. This ancient insight invites us to look inward, not outward, for truth, a practice to cultivate inner peace and global harmony. Scene 5. Conclusion. Across every tradition, every wisdom keeper beckons us toward a vision unseen by ordinary sight. It is born in the heart and nurtured by empathy. Humanity, in its collective essence, is the salt of the earth, a balanced blend, a unified force in diversity. So what can we take away from this today? Perhaps a reminder to pause and feel. Feel the world's heartbeat, to love, to unite. Because the inner vision each of us possesses can not only guide our paths, but also weave a global tapestry of peace and respect. Be the artist of that vision.